To add recommendations to shopping module, following are the steps. Firstly, go to your Shopify store and create a collection. Here is my Shopify store. I will create a collection by clicking on the Collection tab. After clicking the You Create Collection button, proceed to name the collection. Click Save. To add products, simply search for the desired item. Select the checkboxes for the products you wish to include in the collection. Once you click Add, the products will be successfully added to the collection. Now go to your Bridge dashboard, go to Experiences tab. Open your experience. Open Modules tab. Click on the Shopping module. Scroll down to Recommended Products drop-down. When you click the drop-down menu, it displays all the collections available in your Shopify account. Select the collection. I'm choosing the collection that I recently created in the Shopify store. You'll notice that the recommended products are displayed here. Click Save. Open your experience. Here is your experience. Navigate to the Shopping module, where you'll find your collection displayed.